Alright, good morning. Alright, today is the first official day of the meetup. Tonight we shoot in Dinosaur Kingdom. It's a dinosaur themed amusement park. Jason got the keys to it, literally. So we've got unlimited access over there. Should be really interesting. We're gonna go to Jason Reinhardt's house in just a little bit. It's about 10 o'clock, nobody's up yet. But the rest of the crew gets here today, should be about 30 people, and we'll see what happens.
Hey!
What you got going on there, Bobby?
Just looking at some shots that we did last night.
Milky Way.
Yeah.
That looks...
First time for me to ever capture the Milky Way.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time last night?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
It was great. Really neat.
You, sir, are the professor or the wizard, making all kinds of amazing tools for us to use. And you just told me who your great whoever,
Yeah,
yes.
There's a blood connection that was one of the innovators, or the originators of light paint. Frank Gilbreth, using them for industrial studies, used light painting in an industrial method. Now here I am building tools. Here he was designing ways through light painting to optimize tools. And we're separated by 5 or 6 generations, and nobody in between that did photography of any kind or light painting of any kind or anything but still yet genetically we're connected. It's in our blood and separated across generations. That's kind of cool to me.
Everybody's coming here before we go to Dinosaur Kingdom, and then we're all just gonna hang here and have a big barbecue. Jason cooking. Everybody should be getting here soon, so light painters from all around the world coming.
Bobby Hop from Alma, Arkansas.
Aaron Simmons from New York.
Jeremy Pierce, Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Rita Jones, Hermitage, Pennsylvania.
Swan Kubalet, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Delight from New York.
Don from Paris.
Barrett Jorgensen from Durham.
Annette Holloway, Yorktown, Virginia.
Blanca Iyer, Northern Alabama.
Karen Rose, Fairmont, West Virginia.
Margaret Phillips, Huntsville, Alabama.
Justin, New Jersey.
Johnny Dickerson, Raleigh, North Carolina.
Eric, South Jersey.
John Griffin, Alma, Arkansas.
Alright, we are headed off to Dinosaur Kingdom. This is absolutely incredible.
I was saying, I mean, even for me personally, you know, discovering light painting through just accidentally dropping my phone, you know, during long exposure and just going through that whole process. To be here in 2018 and have a caravan of people that from all over the country, come as far as France to my house. I mean, that is amazing. So welcome to Dinosaur Kingdom 2. The game plan is to do a little walkthrough while we got light. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up stations at different exhibits that are here. And because there's no way this big of a group is gonna be able to fit through the park all at once. So we're just gonna do stations. But our collaborated image, once we go in there, I'll show you where that's gonna be at. And there's plenty of room for everybody there. So. That's the game plan. Place some lights through here, add some texture. Somebody's gonna have to come down here, do a flare. I asked that we just, you know, we all collaborate on that. And then once we do that, you know, we're free to do whatever we want, so. This video does not do this justice how just trippy this room is.
This room is really wild. So it's, I don't know. Anyway, so yes, we're I'm light painting with Jasmine, the lovely Jasmine here. I'm gonna light paint this entire room. I'm gonna turn her. I'm gonna light her like this. Translucent light brighter and color filter and hoods. 4 different colors. Light the whole room and trace her. It's gonna look really cool.
Awesome.
Ready?
Yep.
I think we got a money shot here, and I think we got a money shot over there, at least on someone's camera.
Alright, we're wrapping this. This is the end of day 3.
Not the end, not the end.
Oh, we're not?
Yeah,
the
the night is young.
It's the end of this vlog though, 100%. Alright, wrap it up for me, Don.
No, this is not the end. We're gonna continue. We're gonna do some portraits, and this is not the end. Day 1, still running.
I'm going to bed.